Welcome to our tutorial series. In this video, we will be going through a portfolio setup for learners. Let's jump right in and get your portfolio set up to showcase all your amazing achievements. But before we begin, please note that this feature might only be available if your administrator has enabled it for you. Step 1. To get started, head over to the portfolio page. It's super easy, just click on your name and then hit Portfolio. Here, you'll find a starter item with a brief explanation of how things work. So, what exactly can you do with your portfolio? Well, it's a fantastic tool for presenting your accomplishments both within and outside of aNewSpring. We're talking diplomas, certificates, event attendance, exam results, you name it. Step 2. Now it's time to fill in the details. By clicking on Edit, you can add a biography next to your name for that personal touch. Sections help keep things organized, so make sure to categorize your items neatly. Need more sections? Just hit the plus section button. When it comes to the items themselves, they can be anything you're proud of. Click on Plus Portfolio Entry and you'll be given two options. You can add items from within the online environment or add items from outside. If you choose within the online environment, a list of your course achievements will appear. Simply click Add next to the course certificate, add any additional information you'd like, then hit Save. Your certificates will now be displayed on your profile. If you opt for outside of this online environment, you'll need to fill out a simple form and upload your certificates or any other attachments. Once done, click on Save. And don't worry, you can always edit them later or rearrange them using the drag and drop feature. Finally, when you're all done editing, hit Done Editing to finalize your portfolio. Voila! Now you can sit back and admire your work. Ready to share your portfolio? Click the Share button, generate a link and pass it along to whoever you'd like to share it with. Just remember, your instructor will need this link to view your portfolio too. Now, if you want to attach your portfolio to a letter or resume, simply hit Export. This gives a detailed overview of your education and achievements. Thank you so much for watching. There are more tutorial videos available to you on our channel. If you would like to know more about something specific or have recommendations of a tutorial you would like to see, feel free to comment down below. Like and subscribe for more.